Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making Boti curry. This is a delicacy that's enjoyed by many people and it's very simple to make it at home, but the cleaning part is extremely difficult. So once you have the cleaned Boti, it's really very simple to make this recipe. This is washed Boti, which is 500 grams. After washing it and cleaning it also, I'm going to wash it again with some turmeric powder and some salt. So we'll be using this to wash the boti. Once it has been cleaned really well, you need to soak it in hot water and scrape out all the green part from it and clean it. And after that I'm adding some turmeric and haldi and turmeric and salt, and we'll wash it 3 times. And I've used 2 finely chopped onions, about 4 green chilies, turmeric 3/4 teaspoon, red chili 3/4 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, salt about half a teaspoon, and this is garam masala powder. Garam masala, this is homemade. This is nothing but cinnamon, cloves and cardamom powder. So these I use it in a lot of recipes. So I've used just about 1/4 teaspoon for that, and 2 to 3 tablespoon chopped coriander, and finely really ground well coconut, about 6 to 7 tablespoons. So now I'll just wash this boti with the salt and turmeric. I had already washed it twice before, so I'll wash it once more. And then in a pressure cooker, you take about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and then we'll add in the green chilies. Green chilies you can add according to your taste. You can increase or decrease it according to the level of spiciness that you eat. I've added the onions. We'll fry it till it is golden brown in color. I'm adding the salt as well here because the onion gets golden brown really fast. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. The onions have turned golden brown. Now we'll add in the ginger garlic paste. We'll fry it for about a minute till the raw aroma from the ginger garlic paste goes away. You can find many more interesting mutton and beef recipes also on my channel, so please have a look. Now we'll add in the chili and the turmeric powder. We won't fry this much, otherwise the masala will burn, and then we'll add in the boti pieces. Many people add in tomato. I'm not adding tomato in my recipe. If you do want to add in tomato, you can grind 1 tomato and add it after you add in the spices. Once the tomato gets done, then you add in the boti. So mix this boti and fry it with the masalas for about a minute. And then we'll add in about 3.5 glasses of water to this. This recipe is kind of soupy, and if you just cook it and reduce the water, if you thicken it, then it becomes a gravy too. But then I don't add tomato to my recipe. If you want it like a proper curry type, then you can add in the tomato. You can have this gravy along with dosas, rotis and even rice. So this is really very tasty, and now I'm adding in the garam masala as well, and the chopped coriander leaves. This is so simple to make. The only difficult part in this recipe is cleaning the boti. If you get your hands on some cleaned boti, then it is really very easy to make this, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So we'll mix all this together. This takes a very long time to cook, so you just have to pressure cook it, and you can taste at this point and add in some more salt and chilies if required. So I found the salt a little less, so I just added some. Now let's pressure cook this for about 45 minutes. The boti has been cooking for about 40 minutes. I first kept it on high flame, and when the whistle came, I put it on sim and I cooked it for about 40 minutes. You can see the boti is cooked really well, and the oil also has come up. Now at this point, we'll check if the boti has been cooked, and if it is cooked, you can add in the coconut. I've added about 5 to 6 tablespoons of coconut to this. Mix it well and again close the lid of the cooker and cook it for just a whistle and allow it to dum on its own. Don't open the pressure cooker. Let the steam come off completely and then you can open it. There you can see a really very delicious boti curry which is ready. You can thicken this up and it will become like you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with rotis or even dosas.